see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work?
Good morning, guys. Ang ganda ng thank you. Guys, what did... What? What I mean? So, tapos na tayo doon. Mag-drive lang tayo dito. Titingin lang ng bahay. And what did you see there, Sophie? You see what? Seal? Yes. Meron doon, hindi ko na-vlog. Nandoon. Malayo naman. Pero makikita mo, kaso medyo malayo siya. Pag sa camera, hindi na masyado makikita. Dead end pala to, guys. Wala naman palang makikita dito. Dead end pala. So, ewan ko saan naman tayo. Nagda-drive lang tayo, guys. Libot-libot lang.
Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain.
So, pasok tayo dito. Tingin tayo ng mga bahay-bahay. Kasi ayan, maraming bahay.
Waves.
May sarili silang jetty. Yung mga nasa harapan ng river. Nandun, dyan sa kabila. Ito, for sale. And merong ginagawa. Ingay lang yung radyo.
What do you reckon, Johnny? Yeah, no, good. Alright, thanks, Chona.
Merong ibang pumapasok na nagsasalita sa radyo. So what's that one? Houses as well.
Now put it on the stove.
Wait, Baba. Gusto niyo nang kumanta. This one a nice house. Sabi ni jump from. Oh, diba? May ibang pumapasok. Okay, may maganda kami nakitang bahay. Hindi ko lang na-film. Doon. Dami talagang magandang bahay dito. Tennis court? Yeah, they have tennis court and basketball court. Ayan, na tayo, balik na tayo. Wait, Baba, for the song. And ayan, yung river, And yung mga nasa harap, ayun, may mga sarili silang jetty, Noon. May banga. And dito yung magandang bahay, dito sa side. Saan na yan? Wala pa.
You see that jet and everything out the back of that on the right here?
Can we go on that jetty?
No, that's the Labas.
Yeah, here. Ayan yung bahay, guys, na maganda, Ayan. Tapos, ayan, Tapos, ano ba isa? Ayan. What's the other one? Kasi another one. Na-miss ko na naman siguro. Ayan. Malaki rin yung bahay doon. Yes. And doon sa kabilang mga ganda din, andun yung mga jetty. This one is nice though. No?
That one.
Which one?
Looks like a church.
Yeah. Parang church daw yung, ayan yung brown. Ito ba yung yellow brown? Parang church daw. Sabi naman siya. But look at the yeah, look at, ayun, may jetty din doon. Ayan, kita niyo yun, guys. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda. Oh. Oh, yeah. We're gonna turn here. Pasok tayo dito. Ayan yung river, guys. Oh. Wow.
That's the stuff you build out. So that stuff goes black. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. All this will too.
May nakita kaming tennis court. Maglaro raw sila. Si Jan naglalaro siya ng tennis before. Nung kabataan niya daw. So, ang dami ng nating nakitang house. Look at this. This is big too. That's good. That's nice. That's big. Even this one. Hindi niya makita.
Mom, look at that nice house.
Yes. Well done. Solar, hun.
That could be torn up.
No, not yet. Gusto niya talagang kumanta.
Mom, I cannot blow it.
Oh, okay. That's it. Ayan yung river. Look at that, hon. For sale, oh.
400,000 for that.
400,000 for the lot only.
Yeah. Then you got to build another 400,000 house. 500,000 house.
Yeah, so-
900,000. There's some nice ranches around it. We're only seeing the back sides of them. We
Oh,
can
ang dami
say-
magandang bahay. Tapos ayan,
Yeah.
may sarili siyang basketball court. Yung isang bahay may sariling tennis
Go to-
court.
Go to 24.
506 meters. Ano na si George at si John, and ayun si Kylie. Tinitingnan nila yung mga bahay na nakaharap sa river. And nakita niyo yun, yung agusan ng tubig doon. Oh, ayun, may pa ganun. Ayan, di ba? 400, ano lang yan, lupa. 400,000.
Bye.
Ayan na sila. Mahangin kasi. Hindi nyo rin ako maririnig pa nag-vlog ako doon. What do you think? Nice houses there?
Yeah.
Look.
Put you in right.
Look at that one. Look at that one, hon.
Yeah.
They have their own basketball court. Imagine kung magkano yan. Ito ha, lupa pa lang. Lupa lang, 400,000. Ito, bahay na, meron pang basketball court. And tapos ayan yung garage niya, oh, laki. Diba?
That same stuff.
What?
Render.
Render.
It cracks. And it goes yucky.
Gusto ko kasi sa future house namin, render yung, parang ganyan. Kaso, nagiging yucky raw. Look at that, ayan. Ganda. Sana ba yung sinasabi ko? Ayan yung bahay, guys, oh, nasa harapan ng river.
It all goes all yucky.
Yeah.
Yeah, see,
That one?
see the black, look at the black and yellow there. See that?
What? Yes.
Yeah. That's
So,
what-
ayaw ni Jan na ganyan ang finish ng bahay sa future bahay
And look at
namin.
this brick and that. You don't.
Gusto
doesn't-
niya, brick.
doesn't matter.
Ganyan. Ganyan gusto niya, oh.
These ones, this will be still looking brand new. Smelling.
So, gusto niya bricks, ganyan. But I don't like the color,
Oh,
ha.
there's lots of colours.
Ayoko talagang bricks. Gusto ko ganyan, pero sabi ni Jan, nagka-crack daw yan. Pag ilang, ayan,
Well, have a
katulad
look for
yan.
the black. See how it
See,
goes all black
nagi-
and yucky? That's what it does.
Oh, diba? Nasarmo na
Every single
tayo.
one we're doing it.
Kaya niya ako nililibot kasi nga tumitingin kami ng kung anong gagawin sa future house. Sa future house namin, guys.
You could have a couple of feature walls with that, like you see some have brick and then they have a little bit on the front or something.
Look at
you
this
know.
one. Tingnan nyo yan, guys. Oh. Oh,
Look,
aba.
see how they've got a bit on the front, but brick.
Yeah. But I don't like brown. I don't like
I like
red.
that block stone that looks beachy.
Which one?
I showed you before.
Oh, hindi ko yun na-film, guys, kasi nag-uusap kami. How about this one? I like this one. Like that. Can we have that one?
The little brick.
Yeah.
That, you only do that on a feature wall.
Oh, alright.
You can't have the whole
Okay.
house like that.
Why?
No. They're not even bricks.
Alright. Like that black?
They're just features.
No, it's yucky.
I'll show you. There was that house that built it had them
Yeah, I forgot.
blocks.
How about that one? See that one?
So they got little features on the front like that?
Yes.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, I want like that.
You do that out the front on your pillows and that.
Like in this, that one, in the center, like this side.
Yeah, just a little bit there.
So, yun lang yung dito sa side na to. Ayan o, mayroon namang gagawin na bahay doon. Like that. See that one? I don't like that color, Han. See that? It's not. That black?
No.
I don't want too dark, Han. I just
That's
like...
a block, the big blocks.
Like stone? Like a stone?
Like a stone, but it's not a stone. Well, it's a
forgot.
split stone, sort of. But it's last forever.
That one is
No
nice.
maintenance.
That one's nice, Han. Ayaw niya kasi, kita nyo yan? Hindi nyo kasi makita sa
See
camera.
all the black on it?
Umiitim yung mga... What do you call that? Render?
Render.
Yeah, pag-render.
Looks good, brand new.
Yeah. In a few years. That one, look at that.
Yeah. Living on the seafront, you gotta build it properly from the word go. It's less maintenance.
Depende kasi kung saan mo itatayo yung bahay. Yung plano namin malapit sa beach. So, dapat maganda yung materials. Ay, tama yung materials na gagamitin. Like that, Han? No, not that one.
No.
No. Hindi ko na, may pinakita siya sa akin pero nakalimutan ko. Sa dami pa naman namin nakitang bahay. I hope we can see another one. Ayan yung,
I
ayun
showed
yung
you.
ganda. Yeah, but I forgot what it looks like now. Because we've seen a lot. Look at
Looks
that
good,
one.
brand new, but give it 10 years and it just starts looking shit. See? You can have some features and
Titingin ka
is
tayong
there another
bahay.
street? I reckon there should be one more street.
One more street. Ang dami na nating street na napuntahan, guys. Umiikot-ikot lang
No,
tayo.
we can't. It must be on the other side. We've got to go to that one. What's this here?
Ikot-ikot lang tayo. How about that one? That way.
That
Nothing.
way. Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
No through road.
Oh,
That's right.
okay.
We'll go there.
Okay. Gotta go for look daw dito, guys.
Dad, so I can't take my jacket off because my shoulders are
Yeah, all right, bub. Take it off.
So ngayon, may pupuntahan pa tayo. Mga bahay ulit, guys. Baka ma-board na kayo. Puros bahay yung napapakita ko ngayon sa vlog. Kasi, si Sir A, pinapaintindi niya sa akin yung mga bagay-bagay about sa materials kung anong dapat gamitin sa aming future house. Marina office, ano? Oh, it says Marina office. Oh, ang daming boat.
Oh no, what are they doing here?
I don't. Oh, there's nothing here, huh? It's you. Here, huh? Go there.
No, there's nothing there.
Oh, gusto niyang tingnan mo na yung mga ano. I know. That's apartment, I think. Oh,
Yeah, they're the
girl.
ones that are for sale.
For sale?
They're the ones that told me to buy one of them.
Oh, bili tayo nun.
Way back to that
Ayan,
side.
mga boats. Ayan. So, libot-libot lang tayo.
playground.
Yeah.
Yeah, later. Yung mga bata naboboard na.
Yeah.
Naboboard na sila. Tingin-tingin muna tayo. Tingnan nyo yan, oh. That's big. Ito yung mga gustong tingnan ni Jan. Mga ganito.
I'm meant to be going this way. You're going around that way.
Ah, okay. So mag-stop muna tayo dito kasi yung mga bata gusto mag-play sa playground. Careful with the door, ha? Baba! Ayun na sila. Dito yung mga bata. Ayan si Zach. So ito yung mga gusto tingnan ni Jan. Ayan. So windy, ha? Nagpa-picture kami dyan ni Jan. Si Kyle ang kumuha. I-insert ko, guys.
Best friend from the start, always had my heart, but now it loves you different.
Where's the kids? Come on! Bye, Baba! Hi, Kuya! We miss you! Come on, Baba!
That was so fun!
So fun, Baba?
Yeah.
So, hindi ko alam kung saan naman tayo pupunta, guys.
Where are we going now?
Si Sophie bumalik na sa car nila.
Say front, see if we can find a toilet, and then
Toilet daw. And then, Isak, dito naman sa amin. Baba, put your
I'm
arm.
hungry.
You're hungry. Put your
look at all
arms, please.
these boats.
Yes, ang
Just
dami.
do nothing.
Yeah. Wala, ano lang daw yung for leisure lang daw yung mga boats dito.
Find a toilet.
Ayan.
Yeah, I'll work that out.
Ayan. There's
If
a
it went
lot.
out in the ocean, this would be the ultimate spot.
Your spot, Han?
Would have been the ultimate spot if it would go out into the ocean,
Ah,
but it just doesn't.
it doesn't. Kasi mababaw. It's very, what do you call that, Han?
Sand it up at the
Yeah. Sandy yung yung dagat. So hindi pwede maka-cross si Jan dito. Nagdala niya yung boat.
Harley, why are you coughing?
What's that, Han? What's that one? That blue one?
Are we going to the
Bite me.
slide?
Dito ulit tayo sa bridge, guys. Balik tayo. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo pupunta. Kasi sabi niya, we'll
that
see.
playground. Oh, that's cool.
Meron pa yata siyang stopan. Ewan ko. So, sundan lang natin si sir. Doon tayo galing kanina sa bridge na yun.
Did you turn
Ngayon
down
nasa
that
na
street?
tayo. Nasa baba. Naghanap kayo ng daw, toilet muna raw yung mga bata. Hindi ko alam kung asan tayo. Guys, andito na tayo.
Where?
Some
Where?
What?
right.
Right.
Toilet.
That one. Toilet. Okay. Ayun yung bridge, Ayun. Where's Joey? No, it's locked. That toilet is locked.
Oh, there's some
Where?
Where?
right.
That one. Straight.
There.
Ayan, nakapag-toilet na siya. Feel good, Baba?
Yeah.
Okay, go with that.
Sack's still in there.
What? Where's your other bowl?
Oh, it's in the car. I don't want to get it.
Alright.
It might go.
Tingnan mo yung dalawa. Ganyan silang dalawa. Lagi silang nag-aasaran, tawanan. Tawa siya ng tawa.
Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you
Punta tayo ng bakery. Si Kuya naman yung sa amin, si Sak naman nandun. Okay, put your...
I'm hungry.
Okay, we're going to the bakery, Baba.
Oh, how you been, Tyrod?
Where's your bowl, Baba?
Here.
Okay. Can you put it, please? Give it to Mommy. Okay. Here, bakery.
Cookies Cafe.
Cookies Cafe. Gusto ni Jan pies.
Oh, there. No, it's groceries.
That's grocery. Ayan kasi may mga malilit silang
Surf.
tindahan. Shops. Lobat ako. Cookies Cafe yan. Ayan. Kailangan magsuot ng mask. Okay, let's go. Ayan, mas na rin ako.
The bakery is there.
It's not this one? No. Coffee kasi to. Bakery tayo, guys. Ayan, bakery. Dito yan. Ito yung bakery dito sa Fort Elliott. What do you want? You don't want any? No. Yung mga bata lang ang gutom. Hey, wait. Kids cannot come in. Only, okay. You're not allowed. What do you want? Tell me. Pie. How about you, Holly? Pie? Okay. How about TJ? Ask TJ, go. Come here. Come here, Kuya. What do you want? You're not allowed to go inside.
Why?
Because they're only allow 4 people at a time. So what do you want? Pie? Sausage rolls? It doesn't say there, Kuya. Sausage roll? Okay. Ang sarap ng dessert nila, And kumuha rin ako niyan. Where are they? Hey, Chona. There you are. Ah, there. What are you doing? Waiting for your drink? Dito, no? Okay, sausage. Get one. No, that's not for you. You have the same with yeah. So, no, that's mine. You said sausage roll.
No, I said pie.
Oh, sorry. Something.
What is it?
Kitchener.
What? What is it?
Yan si Jen. Yuck. Yan pala ang gusto niya. Dapat akin yan. Binigay ko na lang sa kanya. Tapos, binibigyan niya ako. Kaya andito siya sa akin. Are you worried to your mom? It's alright. Thank you. You can have that. Balik ako sa bakery. Kuha tayo ng inumin and then kuha ako ng pie. Kasi kinuha ni Jen. Ni Jen is yung pie ko. So, ito yung Coke. Malit na nasa glass here.
Okay.
Welcome. Alright. Si Kuya, hinihintay niya si Holly matapos. Gusto niya pa raw. Pinipigilan siya ni Daddy niyang kumain ng marami.
What is that one?
This is mine.
What is it?
Yeah. Come on, hurry up, Baba. If you cannot eat it, give it to Kuya. Same as Yusak. Yusak patapos na.
Jackie boy.
You're always starved.
Nick off, John.
Ito yung akin. Pa yung kinuha ko. Yung kay Sak, pasty. Yung vegetable kay Sak eh. Gusto niya yon. Good, Han.
What's that?
Pie.
Well, how come you got round ones?
That one is pasty.
No, the round pie. That's a meat pie. You probably got.
This is pie as well, but not sure. Kasi may round, may square. Try it. It's very hot. Very hot, Han.
Well, it's so spicy that you got a different type of pie then. You got a spicy meat pie.
That's not spicy.
Oh,
What pies did you get?
Meat pie?
Why is this square and it tastes better and smells better?
Yeah. Meron siyang iba-ibang ano. Pie. Good, huh? You like it? Sure, yeah. It's very hot. It's very hot, huh? Very hot. Yes. Oh, very hot. I told
Oh,
you.
you should have just waited.
Why? Oh, hot, hot, hot. Hot, 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 sak, hot, hot, hot. Hot, hot, hot. Hot. Hot Baba, ha? Okay. Okay. Can you give that to Kuya TJ now if you're done? You're not. Pinapatagalan naman ni Holly. Naghihintay si Kuya. Kawawa naman si Kuya. Nice. Yeah, it's good. Nice. Ang sarap nito. Magawa nga to. Sabi ganun. Try ko to. No. Look at TJ. Waiting for... You want... We're gonna get him more?
What do you want? Something else?
You want like this? You want me to get you one more? Like this? Okay. I'll get you one. Oh. Like this? Okay. Now, I'm gonna go now. Ayan, nabilang ko na si Kuya and binilang ko rin si John and Joe. Kasi nagustuhan ni Joe, pinatry ko kay Joe. Gustong gusto niya. O, ayun na yung dalawa. Walang chance si Kuya kay Holly kasi parang mauubos ni Holly yung sausage roll niya.
I'm trying to eat it.
Yeah, that's good. Good, yeah?
I've only took
No, this one. You like? Yeah.
this.
Yeah, the same. The same. Tingnan nyo, nakalagay dito, no seating. Dito pwede maupo. So, tingnan nyo sila. Siksikan sila doon. Doon, walang nakaupo. How's that, Kylie? Sak, no seating. They said no seating and look at them. No, that one it's alright. But that one, you're not allowed to sit.
Turn around.
Tapos na kami guys, kumain dito. Si Kuya, ongoing pa rin siya. Man! Ayan, dagat na naman yung
Look at this.
You done?
Dito pa rin tayo sa Port Elliot guys. And ayan, dagat. ang ating nasa harapan. Kuya, ongoing pa rin sa kanyang pie. Good day. Ayan na si Johnny Boy.
Kuya, handy jar.
Tingnan niyo yung dalawa. Sa hindi ko nakunan agad. Ginayakap ni Josie dyan. Tapos pinicture ni Kylie. Hindi tayo bumaba kasi ang lamig. Ayan oh. May hagdan. Is it stairs there, Han?
Good job.
Oh, that's nice. Ayan yung picture. Send it to me.
Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm
Oh, sorry. Sobrang lamig. Hindi sila nakatagal ni Joe doon.
Tuesday today.
No, today's Monday.
I wonder if you can go this way. I bet you can't.
Oh, this way. I'll try.
We go for a walk up there or not, John?
Another look out.
Really?
Sobrang lamig.
Do you, Cobber?
Say Bobo.
I have seatbelt. Okay, tapos na tayo mag-sightseeing, guys.
That's unreal. Like beautiful place with the weed.
Yeah. Ang daming weeds. Ang ganda sana nung kasi ang daming seaweed.
Oh, they got good views.
Yeah, they have a good views. Itong mga bahay dito sa taas.
That was
What? The square one? Square house?
Different.
Yeah, ayan, may square house. Oh.
Is that one house? It is two.
Yeah, this is one
That's
house.
massive.
Yeah, ang laki ng bahay ni ate o ni kuya. Ayan. Just make sure when you go inside the car, there's no toilet. You have to clean your shoes. Ito sightseeing to, guys. So mag-sightseeing tayo dito. Lots of whales here. Si Johnny Boy. Whales. Here. This is the whales.
Oh, that was on my phone. Where's that at?
Okay. Get on, Daddy. Picture ko yung tatlo. Okay. Guys, look at me. Okay. Okay. Kuya, smile. Kuya, stay there. Smile. Don't move your feet. Look at me and don't move your feet. Okay.
I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need. Where were you when I was going home alone? Now there's coffee on your white sheets instead of liquor on my tight jeans. And it's never been as easy as when you're lying with me. I just up in these sheets, the city I fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're dripping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love. That's all I need.
Tapos na dito, guys. Ang lamig! Ah! Ayan yung bahay na sinasabi ko kayo dyan. Yung stone. May konting stone.
Wait, what
So,
was it actually?
tingin-tingin ulit tayo ng bahay. Tingnan nyo yung view nila, guys. Oh, ganda. Can you imagine waking up like this, Han?
That's what I said.
No.
But
Oh, look at this. Look. Ayan yung bahay mo.
There.
Look at that one. See that house? Oh my God, I like that house there. Ito, oh. May bagong ginagawa. What did you say, Han?
That's what I mean. You get up in the morning and you just look at the sea.
That's right. Waiting for you.
Yeah.
That one, Han, look at this. How
See
about that one?
stone? That's what I'm talking about.
that. Okay, I'm alright with that one.
Yeah.
That kind of stone. Yes, I like
And then
that.
you put a clear on it and it should
Yeah.
last roads, and then it just doesn't go
Stain.
shit.
Okay, I'll go with that
What I'm
one.
talking about.
Yeah, it's
White
alright
one
with
of them.
Yeah, white. That one, it's alright. That color.
Well, that's white.
Yeah, I like not really white, but I like that color. Parang siyang
They're
dirty
all
white.
just bloody.
Wow,
There's
look
no
at
roads here.
this.
So
Nice.
look
Look
at
at this house.
So that's
Wow.
what you want.
Like that one.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Glass. Look.
glass. Nice.
Table right there.
See that one, Han? That
Balcony though.
like the no, they have, but it's closed.
Is that a what? Is that a person?
Oh,
Or rock?
can we? No, we can't go up there. Andun, guys. Oh, maganda pang bayan nandoon, no.
So that's pretty well the front of the house there.
Like that one.
Yeah.
Ganyan daw magiging future house
There
namin,
is a
guys.
two-story block in his
Yung
life.
glass. Wait, slowly.
Oh no.
Ayan. Yeah, nice. No, not like that one. Yung parang may mga poste-poste.
Someone did
Ganda.
a little mini skate ramp.
Tingnan nyo yung mga bahay nandoon, guys. Tapos ayan yung
look at
kanina.
them ones.
I know, right?
Look at all them.
Look at that house
Yeah, we're
is
gonna get to
there. Yeah, gusto niya diyang pumunta din doon.
What's Jodo?
Tapos ayan yung kanyang view. Ayan si Joey, oh. Ayan si Sophie. Kaso ang lamig na,
I'm having to go.
Hoy, slowly, be careful with the door, okay? It's so cold, Baba.
Yeah, do that.
Oh, I know. I was thinking, oh, look at this.
Come on, puppy, come on.
I know, but it looks like it's just closing out here. Look.
I know. I can't see any sort of a bank or anything there. Apart from
Over there, look at the
Si
other
Joe
side.
magaling siya mag-surf. Si Joe.
just along this bit here, but I don't reckon.
Merong nagsusurf. Si Joe magaling mag-surf. Ayan, titingnan ni Joe. Ay, Joe, si Jan din bababa na rin. Ako nilalamig. Hoy, close the door, the window, Baba. It's freezing. Thank you. Dito na si Holly. Good muna sila ng mga nagsusurf. May dalawa atang nagsusurf. Alis na tayo dito, guys. The wood is not good.
Oh, yeah, like that one. Look.
Okay.
It'll go all.
Yucky. Alright.
Everything. Let's look at the rust on the rails. See
Yeah,
that?
I don't like that one. I
That's why you
didn't.
can't have that.
No, I didn't say I want that
No,
one.
I'm just saying.
Yeah, I want glass.
Sonny boy, this one, little bloody Tifa here.
That's what I just said. Well, there you go. There she is.
Look at that house, guys. Oh,
I want
ayan,
to win
oh.
it.
Tingnan
That'd
yung
be just
bahay,
a
oh.
box in there.
Box. That one's nice too, there.
Ah, that's this one. Look.
No, this one, balcony, but I don't like it. No, not good.
It looks alright though.
Yeah,
That looks pretty good.
but I don't like
Good
it.
setup.
No, I don't like it. Yeah, the setup is good, but the framing is not good.
Yeah.
Wow. At least nag-agree siya sa akin. Ano mga bahay doon? Galing, we've been there, right, Han? We've been there?
No.
We haven't been
I've
there?
been there yet. I'm trying to get there now, but
Gusto niya pumunta ng... Pero hindi namin alam kung saan dadaan.
Real, mate.
Ayan, ano na naman, dead end. Gusto ni Joe mag-surf. Sabi niya, sayang daw hindi niya dinala yung ano niya, surfing board, tsaka yung wetsuit. Yes, here. Go quick, quick. Nasa ano pala na tayo, guys, sa Middleton Tavern. Ano, that's pub. Middleton lang pala, guys. Ay, dito, no? Ang ganda ng view nila. And this is only 1 hour to the city, right?
yeah, about that.
Yeah, about an hour sa Adelaide, sa city. Baka dito natin makita yung mga bahay na gustong puntahan ni John. Yung sa kanina yung tinuro ko sa inyo, nasa kabila siya. So dito na nga. So dito yung gustong tingnan ni John. Yung kanina, nandun tayo sa kabila kanina doon. So kailangan lang lumabas sa main road para makarating tayo dito. So yan yung mga bahay dito sa beachfront. Okay, here you go, hon. Ayan.
See the glass.
Yeah. Look at
Look
that.
at this thing.
Nice. Which one? This one? The black one?
Both.
Yeah, nice. Ang ganda. Wait, slow down, honey. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda. This one is nice, hon.
That's nice. Look at
That's
that.
that one. Nice. Maganda, Holly?
Yeah.
Maganda.
Dead end.
What? Already?
No, not yet.
Turn around. Oh, look at that rusty thing.
Which one?
That one.
How weird places, man.
Look at that.
Look at this. This is nice, hon. This
like
one,
that.
like that one too, hon. Nice
I like
design.
The door
I'm gonna
handle.
take photo of that one, hon. When we get back,
Yeah, man.
I'm gonna take photo. That one is nice. That design, honey. This one is alright too.
That's a
But-
2.
Yeah, duplex.
Where's the door?
Dead end na, guys. Balikan natin yung gusto ni Jen na design doon.
That's weird.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
It's not weird. It's just old
No, I
design.
don't like the brown now.
You don't like the brown house. You like
See
the
that
white
house back there, that sort of black one? Sort of a square one, like, have a look at that one. Yeah.
Not yet. We're just about to take a photo. Picturean natin yun. So, balik tayo. Slow
What's
down,
up?
honey, ha?
Dad just stepped in it.
This one is
You want to cut it down this one, or you want to keep going back where we went?
just straight.
That one right, no, go down. Yeah,
Go
whatever. I will just want to take a picture of this one right beside you now.
This one here.
Yeah.
Nah, keep going.
Wait,
Oh, yeah, that's
this
it.
one, wait.
Yeah, look at the door handle.
Is that what you want yours like?
Wait a second.
Nah, I'm just looking at it.
Okay, wait a second.
That's pretty cool,
How
isn't
is
it?
he gonna open up? What's that
Oh, he's
about?
gonna-
Dad, the handle's
Don't know
fine.
about
Wait,
that.
wait. What? You don't know about it.
Not bad.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool too, John.
Okay. Done.
Dad, that handle.
Huh? What's that?
That looks pretty nice. There's only a little balcony there.
Yeah. Wait.
That's all you need. Oh, look at all that bird. Dad,
It's not even a metre in between their gutters, mate. Like, look at that.
Tapos yan yung view nila, guys. Oh.
wow.
Pasok tayo dito naman sa kabila.
How do you go?
Ito maganda to, guys. Oh. Ayan, oh, ganda siya. Maingay lang radyo ni John.
No,
That's nice.
where? That's them.
Yeah, this is dead end now, hon.
Dead end here anyway.
Look.
Dead end.
See that big car?
But you can go. I think you can turn here, honey.
Look at the weed ones. That was
Marami pang bahay doon. Oh.
That was a
Go. Here.
weed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm
Tingin-tingin ng mga bahay-bahay ng ibang bahay.
right.
Guys, balik muna tayo sa kung saan kami nag-stay and later may dinner kami. Dinner tayo sa Labas. Kasama yung is that Kylie's aunt, Han? Yeah.
Or
Yung tita
just
ni
forgot that
Kylie
we had school
kasama.
today.
Kasi dito
so
malapit
all
lang
these
dito sa
people-
taga-Goa rin sila nakatira. So mamaya yun ang ka-dinner namin. Nakabalik na tayo dito. Ha? Yes. Yeah. Nakabalik na tayo dito sa bahay, guys. Mag-edit muna ako. Mamaya pa naman yung dinner. 5:30 ata. 4:14 pa lang naman. So, mag-edit muna tayo. Di pa ako tapos mag-edit, guys. Alis na kami kasi yung dinner namin ay 6 o'clock. So, alis na tayo. Kailangan natin mag-mask ulit. Si Jan, meron na yun. Ayan, si Joe. Si Jan, ilalagay niya pa lang yung mask niya.
There you go.
You alright, Han?
Yeah.
Yeah. May nakita si John na kakilala doon. Yung nakita pala ni John na kakilala ay...
You're right, mate. There you go. Good, mate.
Hi!
You remember Carly?
Tito na pala yun ni Kylie, yung sabi kong nakitang kakilala ni John. Ayan pala yung makeup ni Holly. Baba, show your makeup, Baba. Show your face.
Don't do that touch, Bob.
Si Sakyan. Nakapag-decide na yung mga bata kung anong kakainin nila for dinner. Ako cat's fillet, surf and turf with garlic prawns sauce. Yan na lang yung akin.
Exactly.
So, ready, Han?
Yeah.
Okay. What's that, Zach?
Eat one, Dave.
What?
Dave to eat the shell.
Pinapatry ko kay Sakto. Nag-order pala ako ng oysters na Kilpatrick. 6 lang. Ha? Ayaw ni Sak ang amoy. Bigyan ko si Kylie.
I got 4. I got 5. Holy.
Lagyan muna natin siya ng lemon. Sarap.
Do you? Hi, Chona. I dare you to eat the shell.
You don't eat the shell.
Wait, what?
I don't use it.
It's good. It's good cheese.
Hindi ko kayang kainin nito yung
It was on the floor. My mouth is so warm and soft. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it. I know you how to do
That's nice. Ang cute. Wow, naka-surface lang po. Wow.
There's some salt.
Ang cute.
What do you say, kids?
Ang cute. Wow, Baba, that's nice.
I'm keeping this for
Fish and chips, guys. Soft, guys. Ollie. Chicken farming. And what you have there? Nuggets. Wow. Ang cute naman ng serving. Ang cute.
on your plate.
That's cute, Sa.
Got his own.
There, and I'll
I'm keeping this fire like that. Ollie, they should be surprised.
We're gonna say you've got a kids meal.
What's that, Ham? What, is it good? Masarap daw yung fish ni Holly.
What breaks the stuff?
Pareho yung in-order namin ni Jan na steak na mayroong creamy garlic prawns with veggies. Si Sak patapos na, oh. So, kain muna kami, guys. Tapos may mashed potato rin siya. Si Jan, pinipicturean niya sila Kyle at saka yung tita. Uwi na tayo. Ha?
John said there's a surprise.
Surprise?
But no one knows.
Bahay na kami, guys. Nakapagpalit na ako ng pajama. So, hindi pa ako nag-skincare. Mamaya na lang. I-close ko na itong vlog. Mag-edit lang naman ako. Yung mga kasama ko, andun sila ng TV. So, yun na yung vlog natin for today. Thank you, guys. Sa mga gusto nyo. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night, guys. Thank you for watching.
Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.